Okay, so we are doing finding square root by division method. The first number that we are taking is 289. What we are going to do is we will pair up the numbers from last. So these are the two numbers 89 and here we have a single number that is 2. So we are going to write this in the form of a box. First 2 is going to be considered and then we are going to consider 89. Now 2 is there. See that the two numbers that we are multiplying, both of them are same. 1 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here I'm supposed to divide this by 2. So I'm going to write 1 over here, I'm going to write 1 over here, I'm going to write 1 over here. So 1, 1 and 1, 3 places 1 I have written. Then 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And then I'm going to do the subtraction. Okay. So this is 2 minus 1. This is 1. This then 89 will be brought down over here. Here I'm going to add this 1 and 1. So this is going to be 2. Okay. Then again I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'll put the same number at all 3 places. Okay. Now see the last number over here is 9. There are two possibilities. 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. These numbers end with 9. So two possibilities are there. Either 3 can come over here at all 3 places or 7 can come at all 3 places, the boxes that I have marked 1, 2 and 3. So 23 multiplied by 3, this is not going to give me 189. 23 into 3 is 69. So I can attempt with 27 into 7. So I'm going to multiply that. 27 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So I'm going to write over here, this will be 27. This will be 7. And this will be 7. Okay, 27 multiplied by 7 is 189 minus, okay, if you subtract you are going to get 0. It means this number is a perfect square and the square root of 289 is 17. Okay, so this is square root of 289. This is equal to 17. This is also the method by which you can find whether the number is a perfect square or it is not a perfect square. If you are getting some remainder over here and then further division is going to come in decimals, then obviously this number is not going to be a perfect square. I'm going to take one more example over here, a 4-digit number. Suppose the number that I am taking over here is 1024. So again I'm going to do the same thing, pairing from last digits. These two numbers will come and these two numbers will come. So I'm going to write over here 1024. 24 is in pair and 10 is in pair. So now you start over here. Same numbers you are supposed to multiply. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So the maximum number that is divisible over here is 3, 3 and 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. I'm going to do minus over here and plus over here. Okay. 10 minus 9 is 1. I'm going to bring this 24 down over here. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then I'm supposed to put the same number at all 3 places. Okay. So this will be minus and obviously this will be plus. I'm supposed to multiply here at these 3 boxes. Same number has to come. You know 6 2s are 12. So 62 multiplied by 2. This is going to give me 124. So this is going to give me 62 into 2 Obviously here also I'm going to write 2. 62 multiplied by 2 is 124. No need to do any calculation over here. This is going to give me 0. So 1024 is also a perfect square. Square root of 1024 is equal to 32. You'll take down both of these examples and I'm going to give you some examples for practice as well.
Okay.